Hey friends, today we're going to show you how to change your car's headlights in any car. Here we go. Alright guys, these are the new headlights we're going to put in. They're just replacement from Canadian Tire, certified, only $10. It's really quick and easy. You don't have to go to a dealership or any automotive place to go. Just do it yourself. Alright guys, so the two main important things before we do anything is number one, there will be a plug that you'll remove or wiring harness you need to remove. You can either remove it by pulling it or by squeezing it and pulling it. And the second thing you need to do, there always be a lock or some sort of small little trinket you have to unlock to remove the bulb. I'll show you how. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do to remove your car's headlights is we're going to reach down and unplug the cable. This is the cable right here. Just going to unplug it. Sometimes you just need to shimmy it. Some cars you have to squeeze it out, but this one you just pull it out. So once you do that, usually a lot of cars have a rubber grommet around it. That's just to protect your light bulbs and your headlights. So I'm going to remove it. Just pop it off just like that. This thing protects your headlights and light bulbs from anything that comes into it, including possible moisture. There's a locking mechanism here. All you're gonna do is just lift it up here, and then release it, and you will expose the bulb. So yeah, usually some places have some knob you'll have to turn. Well, in this Honda CR-V, you're just gonna lift up the latch, and you're gonna pop off the old headlight. Alright friends, as you can see, this light bulb is still good. I pulled out the high beam lights and I'm going to put it back in. We're going to do the same process for the headlights that are actually really broken. Going to put the headlights back in where it's at, and then we're going to put the lock on. And here we go with the lock. You're going to make sure the lock goes on here. With this Honda car, you push up and wrap it around, and the metal will hold it into place. You're going to put the rubber back. Go around the groove. Going to make sure it's perfect. And then you put back the plug. Alright, now we're going to do it with the headlights. So we're going to pull out the harness, remove the rubber grommet, which is what we're going to do now. So once we remove the grommet, we expose the headlight bulbs. Now the same thing, we're going to pull up and release the lock in here. Once you pull that lever off, you can remove the light now. Alright friends, as you can see, this is an old light bulb, old halogen bulb, and it's already burnt out. You can see the burnt, here it is. You can see the new one versus the old one. Now we're gonna put this thing back in here. Just put it in here and it will click. That's all it is. Just put it back in its place, put this back into its socket, and it's good to go. Alright guys, I got the new installed light bulb. We're gonna put it in. Once you got it back in, you're gonna take this metal and you're gonna wrap it around the headlights to lock it into place. As you can see, it's wrapped around and it's held in place. We're just gonna put back the rubber, this thing, and we're gonna shimmy it around. The rubber's back into place. Now we're just gonna put the wire back in. That's it. Alright friends, let's do the other side. So unplug the wire, remove the rubber grommet, release the lock, which releases the headlights. And that's how it is. So once you put the new one back in this place, lock it up. There you go. So once it's locked, it'll be held in place. You put the rubber grommet back. Make sure you see the upside arrow on the top, which means you're doing it right. Put it in. Give it a good shimmy. The wiring harness back. That's it. That's all it is. Easy as that. Here's the new light bulbs. Good as new. Alright friends, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. That's how you change the light bulb of any car, specifically a Honda CR-V. Thanks, guys.